Good morning! So, I'm walking by the beach kasi kailangan mag-film ng video. Look how calm mornings are here at South Palms. Sobrang tahimik, grabe. So, tapos na ako mag-film. I'll have that video up ASAP. So, ito na yung bag. Nakapag-pack na rin kami. Diretso ng breakfast and then check out. Sobrang blue na ng hair ko. Dito na yung car namin. So, we're leaving South Palms Resort. We'll definitely be back next time. Yay! Dito na kami sa airport. Kakarating na ng airplane. So, medyo matagal kami naghintay. Just reading my book. Malapit na matapos. The ripple effect. Half na lang. Love it. Nakakaloka na sa airport na kami and now we're back sa South Palms kasi delayed yung flight for 3 hours. And I'm so hungry. So kakain na kami here. Pangit na naman yung panahon ngayon. Super gloomy. Din. Naka-up na pala yung new vlog. Love it. I ordered sweet potato fries again. Super sarap na to, girl. And we have tapas. Mussels and crabs. Thank you. Here's a cute bird. Hi, bird. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute, little birdie? Anyway, lakad muna tayo sa tubig. Medyo okay na yung mood ko kasi kumain na ako, girl. Lakad tayo saglit. Right now, umaambon. Clerks. Ang worry ko lang is, diba, minove nila ng 3:30 yung flight. Hindi naman siguro sila alis before that, diba? Anyway, buti na lang si Dizzy bumalik ng bahay. Pinakain niya si Kaimo ng lunch kasi ang nakaset lang na schedule ni Kaimo is until ano lang, breakfast lang. Kasi nga, sabi ko, uwi na kami ng noon. Dapat nasa Manila na kami ngayon eh. Clerks. The water looks so nice and inviting. Pero hindi na ako, lubog lang. Cold? Ay! Lamig. Wow, wow, wow. Nag-order pa ako ng extra ng seafood pasta. Pero yung seafood clams lang naman, tsaka squid and fish. Super sarap. Maaraw na ngayon. Pero kailangan bumalik agad ng airport din. Kasi baka maiwan kami. Hindi ko lang aalis na mas maaga. Dito ako nakaupo ngayon. Look how peaceful everything is here. And naglakad ako sa water kanina. Too bad wala na akong swimsuit ang dala. So, hindi ako makaswim. But these are super nice. So, I think I might refilm the video that I did kanina. Kasi medyo hindi maganda yung kanina. Ay, si Kaimo. Tingnan mong ginawa ni Kaimo. Sinira niya yung sofa. Winyarak na niya ng bonggang-bongga. Ay, nako Kaimo. Hi, I missed you, baby. I missed you, baby Licious. I missed you, Bobalicious. Ilan na yung foam sa tiyan mo? Bilangin natin. Ay, naku si baby. Kalat, kalat.
It's my birthday! Birthday Nanny Ronan! Birthday Nanny Ronan! Hey, hey, Ronan! Hey, 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 hey! Birthday Nanny Ronan!
How old are you?
I'm 20 plus! I'm 20 plus! I'm 20 plus!
Yay!
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Cheers to 20 plus! I love you!
Super sweet ni Ronan, no? Lagi niya akong binili ng wine. Thank you, Ronan. Happy birthday! I'm chilling with Graham and Jen!
Reunited!
Breakfast, I'm having French toast and black coffee. Ito yung kay Tina. Meron siyang caramel macchiato. Ito na kami sa meeting place, so we're gonna head to the gate right away. We love our bags, diba? Oh, beauty that cares. Hi, Tina! Morning! May maleta pa kami doon, so bongga. March, dala ko yung Zojirushi with water. Bongga. It keeps beverages cold or hot for 24 hours daw.
May bigger yan.
Click mo lang to. What? Bongga, may hot towel. I love it.
Sure.
Ang cute. May free tumbler. Look. It's so pretty. Water. Thank you. Hope in a box. Snacks. Thank you. May welcome drinks. Yeah, thank you. We're here at Anya Resort. Dito na kami sa Anya Resort. We're just waiting for the bags and then go to the room and then may plenary at 11. So I need to do my makeup agad-agad. My baby here, oh. Si baby. Hi, Chris. Si baby Liam.
That's so weird.
Unless, yeah, that's, if you're just here, baka naman, right?
Like, I have a feeling
Villa 1 po?
Yeah, I'm on.
Yay!
Ano naman po kayo?
Kami 302.
302.
Yeah.
Ito lang po.
Oh, Diyos ko, lapit din pala natin, which is good. Are you serious?
Ito yung room namin ni Tina! Oh my God, ang cute! I love it. So may closet. Ayan. Meron kaming sofa dyan. The beds. Girl, the beds.
Home.
Welcome home! Kaya pala sabi nung ano kanina, welcome home. May pictures pa kami. That's so cute! Tina. May TV? Ano yan? Oh, yung ano, mga nuts kanina binigay. Itinerary for today, tomorrow, and then the next day. Girl, may bathtub!
Alam na this.
Ang ganda! Ang laki ng bathroom. And the shower. Oh, bongga. And then meron, here, may isa pang seating area. Tapos may OOTD mirror. Bongga. Tapos sa labas, may patio. Let's open it. Nagbabagal pa ako no? Kailangan ko nang bilisan. Diyos ko. Ay, hindi ko alam paano buksan mamaya na lang, girl. So, yan. Basta may view sa labas. Kita mga villa here. Nagdala pa ako ng steamer for the clothes. And luggage ko dito. Yes! Ay, kaninang umaga lang ako nag-empake kaya sobrang gulo niyan, girl. Let's get ready! So, here's my first outfit for today. So, may Pond's event tayo later on. So, I'm wearing an oversized blazer and then pants from Forever 21. Shoes from Muy Bien Bonita. Ayan. Sabi ni Tina, mas bagay na naka-top kasi medyo loose yung suot ko. So, I like it. Kita yung kulay. Love it. Naglalakad ako from my room and look at this. It's super cute. May parang stream. Papunta tayo doon sa may pool area. Lunch.
So, that's because in Unilever, we believe in putting Filipinos at the heart of everything.
Chris.
Your mirror inform your hair and skin will love.
So happy. I love it.
All vegan.
Second venue. So we're gonna do a talk with Pons today and I'm so excited. So we're gonna do a demo. Kaya bongga-bongga yan. It's gonna start soon. Na-brief na ako. So okay na tayo. Ang cute ng area na to. Oh, so may demo later. Demo sessions. Mineral clay mask. Oh, we're gonna do our segment over here on this side. So sa mask tayo. Sa pampering sesh. So serum and then the masks. And then ito yung buong area. Look at that, guys. Super cute, diba? Love it. Ang cute naman ng CR dito. I love it. Outfit. Pretty. Ay, open air. Bongga. Kaya naman pala. Kaya naman. That's cool. Okay pa naman. And I are super excited to share with you guys what Pons has to offer for our much-needed pampering session.
That's right, Sid. So let's show our gals here our pampering secrets while you sit back, relax, and take care of your skin all the time.
And with that, we're going to introduce to you our favorite pampering duo. So we have here the Pons Double Action Serum, and we also have the Pons Serum Mask. Can you tell us more about these products, Wes?
Okay, so our double action serum is actually clinically proven to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness since it's formulated with retinol C that works 24 hours non-stop. And then we have also our serum masks. So these ones, these come in 3 variants. So we have wrinkle correcting, we have firming, the one in purple, and skin brightening, the one in pink. So these have 30 times serum intensity, and just within 15 minutes, you feel fresh and pampered already.
I love it. And these are made in.
And these are all made in Korea, guys.
I love it.
So
I love
legit.
face mask from Korea. Okay, so this is something I actually do with my girlfriends. Yeah, and our Bonds girls here can actually do it with their girlfriends or boyfriends. Why not boyfriends? Hello, skincare, diba? Okay,
So let's have a demo.
Yeah, go. Okay, so I start off with the Pond's Double Action Serum. Okay. I usually use 1 to 2 pumps. Actually, 1 pump lang okay na eh. And then, di ba yung mga Korean, yung mga nagpa-pat-pat. Alam niyo yun, di ba? Pat-pat. And then you pat on your skin para bongga. And then after that, we can put on the mask. So, nauna yung serum, and then the mask. It's soap, guys. Super bongga yan. Ayaw ko itapon to. Okay, itapon ko muna. Wait lang. So, we open up the mask like this. Sobrang basa, which is perfect for your skin.
You can also use it. You can also use it to your neck area if there are any residues.
Who does that? I do it. Yung mga naiiwan, hindi tapon, sayang.
Guys, have a beautiful afternoon. Beautiful volunteers, X, Sarah, Debbie, and Sage. So at this point,
Tapos na yung session namin. I would win! Oh my God, I love it. May report kami. Bonggang-bongga.
Pampering! Thank you, Say!
Love it. We're gonna shoot a video, a quick video, using the Pond's BB powder. Ayan. Love it. Lights. Lights. Oh my gosh, guys, look! It's very Bali. I love it. Bongga. Just finishing my watermelon juice and then change outfit na. I'm back sa room. Magpa-plancha muna ako ng damit. Papalit ako. Hi, Tina! Yes, refresh si Tina. Bongga. Okay, so may sabitan dito. Bongga for mag-steam ako. So, yun, bongga. Thank you to the lamp. Ayan. Wala yung mga words sa ulo ko. Ready na siya. Ayan. Change outfit. This dress is from Love Bonito. Super love it. Orange siya. Kita niyo ba? Orange. Tapos nag-flats na ako kasi ang hirap umakyat sa mga stairs. Last ko na naman yung Vaseline. So pag after nun, balik tayo dito. And then I'll finish up some videos. Tapos, sana makasqueeze kami ni Tina. Pero may dinner siya tonight eh. So, kailan tayo Tina? Baka tomorrow na, no? You're so cute! First time namin maging roomies. Ever. And si Tina, kilala ko siya since 2010.
11 or 12. Oo,
Ay, ganun katagal. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Love it. Bathroom sessions with Tina Arches. Ito na yung ano ko, change outfit. Si Tina nag-curl ng her. Curl ng her. We're gonna go now to Vaseline.
You're gonna go now naman.
Me.
Ala?
I am currently here at the Elite Pool Lounge. It's so beautiful, you guys. Sobrang ganda. And I'm here to visit the Vaseline booth. And I'm gonna show you guys ano yung bagong product nila. So it's the first gel lotion of Vaseline daw. And fast absorbing and made with 10 times vitamin B3 and menthol for fair and refreshed skin. This is definitely perfect for summer. And we're gonna try out a bottle. Labas tayo guys. Ang ganda ng sunset look. Wow. So everyone's out for dinner right now. Ako nag-order na ako ng room service. And then I'm gonna clean up. Magulo kasi yung mga gamit ko. So I'm just preparing outfits for tomorrow. And then inaayos ko na. And then this one, girl, oh my gosh. And then ito, inaayos ko na rin to. Kaya ayusin na natin, girl. Ang sarap ng binigay nila na ano, parang dried fruits. Ito naman nuts with chocolate. Super sarap. Tropical nut trail mix. It's super good, guys. I love it. Thank you, Unilever. Ayan, malinis na. Yay! So, mga clothes ko yan. And then, inayos ko dito. Inayos ko yung kama. No more kalat. Perfect. And then, dito ako nag-set up ng laptop. Nag-edit ako. Turn down service. Tigdala sila ng cookies. Tapos, may chamomile flowers tea. Tapos the water with tarragon leaves. Bongga. Thank you. Ordered some food. So I have your garlic rice. I have watermelon shake. Ito panang cotta for dessert. And then I ordered bulalo, you guys. I'm so hungry. Yay! Bulalo! Yum, yum, yum. Buti na lang lumakas yung internet. Kanina kasi sobrang bagal ng internet. Hindi ko maka-upload. Nakakaloka. Anyway, you guys, I'm just super duper tired and I have a lot to finish pa. So, I'm ending the vlog right now. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye!